We is back with another video. Hey man, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Smooth, and I'm back with another video, man. And today, just want to say Happy Veterans Day to all the veterans, man. You feel me? Keeping the country safe. And yeah, on this beautiful day. We're gonna do us a POV, man. Roll these windows down some more. Gotta be on the lookout, cause police been out today and everything. From $1. T life, baby.
Keeping it going. You know, you get to a certain point where you get everything, but you know, you got to maintain it. More money, more problems. You know, talking about you got bigger houses. You know what I'm saying? Condo. You got to maintain. You got people to take care of, family members, your kids, so on. It's actually easier on your way to having it. You know what I mean? People offer you a little bit. People ain't really expecting nothing. Then we start getting so many assets and all this shit. You gotta keep it. You want to maintain that lifestyle, so you gotta keep rocking. You know, I ain't come from money. I ain't come from, you know, generational wealth or nothing like that. So I'm first generation, so I'm kind of, you know, I'm new with it, but I'm trying to just do the right shit with it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go build up yourself. You gotta give people something to believe in. You know what I mean? So for the longest, I didn't really have a team like that. You know what I mean? I was real like hands-on and very independent with it. And then when I got to a certain point, people understood what I was doing. It was easier to get a team.
Because they believed in you.
Like, okay, I see you did X, Y, and Z by yourself, so it made it easier. And I lucked up and, you know, met some real good people. You know what I mean? And they stayed the same, and we just been rocking ever since.